I have prepared a complete set of exercises for you to download. The link is in the pinned comment below. Take a look at this dialogue. It shows the very heart of the English language, the simple present, and it's going to make your English take off.
Hello. Are you the new colleague?
Yes, I am. My name is Anna.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you the person who trains me?
Yes, I am. I'm a developer.
Is your desk near the window?
No, it isn't. My desk is over there.
This office is big. Is the manager friendly?
Yes, she is. She's very nice.
Are your colleagues helpful?
Yes, they are. Everyone is very kind.
Where is the cafeteria?
It's on the first floor. So, how old are you?
I'm 25 years old. Oh, is this your phone?
No, it isn't. My phone is in my bag.
What time does the meeting start?
It's at 10 a.m. Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready yet. Mark, who is that man over there?
He is the project manager. I have a question. Why are you late?
Sorry, my car is old. It's broken.
No problem. How is your first day?
It's great, thank you. Mark, are we in the right room?
Yes, we are. I sent an email to you. What is your email address?
Anna.new@email.com. I need to use the Wi-Fi. What is the password?
It's complicated, so I'll send it to you by email.
Do you have a laptop for me?
Yes, I do. I have a new one.
Do you have a lot of work?
No, I don't. My schedule is light.
What color are my notebooks? I like the color black.
Really? So your new notebook is black?
Thanks. Does the office have a good printer?
Yes, it does. It's very fast. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do. I have a few, but I'll ask you about things today.
Okay, don't worry. I'm here.
Does your manager have a big office?
Yes, she does. It's the biggest one.
I need the supply room key. Who has it?
I think Sarah has it. Talk to her.
Oh, do we have a meeting tomorrow?
No, we don't. It's a free day. Oh, no, my head.
Are you okay, Mark?
Oh, no. I've got a headache. Do you have any medicine?
Yes, I do. I think you'll be better now.
Thanks. Does this chair have adjustable height?
Yes, it does. It has a lever.
Wow. Is this bag yours? You have a very nice bag.
Thank you. It was a gift from my father.
So, do you have any children?
No, I don't, but I have a dog.
Really? What is his name?
His name is Max.
I like that name. Do you train at a gym?
Yes, I do. Does the company have a gym?
No, it doesn't. But we have a discount.
Great. That's a start.
Anna, my computer is slow. How about yours?
Oh, sorry. Mine is good. What do you need?
I need to send an email. Your desk is messy. Do you need help?
Yes, I do. I'm not organized yet.
Okay, I'll help you. Well, it's 5 o'clock. The day is over.
Yes, I'm ready for the weekend. Are you?
Yes, I am. See you on Monday.
See you. Have a good weekend.
Anna, is that you?
Mark, hi! Yes, it is me. What a surprise.
Are you a runner? I'm lazy.
Yes, I am. Running is my hobby.
This park is beautiful. Is it near you?
Yes, it is. My flat is over there.
Your dog is cute. Is this Max?
Yes, he is. He's my best friend. Oh, is this book good?
Yes, it is. The story is fantastic. It's warm today.
Are you thirsty? I have water.
Yes, I am. Thank you. That's kind of you.
It's warm today, but the weather is perfect, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is warm and the sky is blue.
Look, this cafe is my favorite. The coffee is excellent.
I'm happy here. The chairs are comfortable.
Is that cake good? It looks delicious.
Yes, it is. Chocolate is their specialty.
What is your order?
Latte. I'm a coffee lover.
Do you have plans for the afternoon?
No, I'm flexible.
Your phone is old. Is it vintage?
No, it's just old, but it's reliable.
Are your parents in the city?
No, they're in the countryside. The house is big and quiet.
Wow, this music is nice. Who is the singer?
I don't know, but the voice is amazing.
So, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one sister. She's a doctor.
That's so good. Are you a good cook?
No, I'm not. My kitchen is a mess.
That's not so good. Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, an old black and white one. The actors are brilliant.
Look, those people in the boat look happy. Is the river deep?
No, it's safe for boats. Are you happy with your new job?
Yes, I am. The people are nice and the projects are good.
Nice. The company is a great place to work.
Do you like plants? Do you have a garden at your house?
Yes, a small one. The flowers are beautiful.
Is your favorite season summer?
No, autumn. The colors are beautiful.
Mark, are you okay?
No, I've got a headache. The sun is strong.
Oh no. You can borrow my hat.
Thanks. Oh, I need you to look at these photos.
Are those children yours? They're twins.
No, I'm not a father. They're my neighbor's children.
Oh no. Sorry. Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Just simple plans, a book, and the sofa.
Great. So, I need to walk Max. He's got infinite energy.
Thank you for the coffee. It was great.
You're welcome. This was a nice surprise.
Look, the sky is gray. The clouds are dark. It's going to rain.
Oh no, my umbrella is at home. I'm in trouble.
Is your house near here?
Yes. Oh no, my dog is impatient. The walk is important.
Of course. He's a good boy.
It was nice to see you outside the office.
Yes, it's nice to see a colleague, a person.
Do you have a good film for this weather?
Yes, it's perfect for a rainy day.
What's the name?
It's Midnight in Paris. It's a romantic one.
Thanks for the suggestion. My evening is planned.
Excellent. The suggestion was useful. Enjoy.
See you on Monday. Have a good weekend.
You too. Bye, Max.
And so that you can put everything you learned into practice and truly cement your knowledge of the simple present, I have prepared a complete set of exercises for you to download. The link is in the pinned comment below. This is your chance to keep learning at your own pace and guarantee fast results.